The city of Sao Paulo, located in Brazil, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of culture, history and modernity. The largest city in South America, São Paulo is a melting pot of cultures, offering travelers a diverse and dynamic experience. Sao Paulo's landscape is characterized by high-rise buildings, expansive city parks and a mix of modern and historic architecture. The cityscape is constantly evolving, with new developments and infrastructure projects shaping its appearance. In addition to its impressive architecture, Sao Paulo is also known for its vibrant artistic life. The city is home to numerous museums, art galleries and theaters showcasing both local and international talent. Visitors can immerse themselves in Brazil's rich cultural heritage by visiting the Pinacoteca do Estado, or watch a performance at the famous Municipal Theater. For those seeking outdoor adventure, Sao Paulo offers ample opportunities for exploration. The city is surrounded by lush green spaces such as Ibirapuera Park, where visitors can enjoy recreational activities, bike paths, and even visit museums within the park. In addition, São Paulo boasts many street markets where visitors can sample local specialties or purchase unique souvenirs. Those planning to visit Sao Paulo should note that the city offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences. From luxury hotels to inexpensive hostels, there are plenty of options to choose from. Travelers can also take advantage of the various modes of transportation in the city, such as cabs, buses, or take advantage of ride-sharing services. In addition, São Paulo's extensive metro system provides convenient access to different parts of the city. In conclusion, Sao Paulo offers an exciting mix of culture, history and entertainment, making it an attractive destination for tourists from all over the world. Whether you want to see its iconic sights or immerse yourself in its vibrant street life, Sao Paulo has something unique to offer every visitor.